Some of these AI tools honestly feel like they shouldn't be legal, or at least not free. Today, we're going deep into the tools that are rewriting the rules of what's possible. I've spent way too long testing AI tools, and I found 5 that made me stop and go, wait, how is this even real? We're not just talking about minor upgrades, we're talking about fundamental shifts in creativity. Relighting a video like you shot it somewhere else. Full songs from a single sentence. Stuff that looked impossible 2 years ago is now accessible to anyone with an internet connection. I'm going to show you all 5 actually working right here on screen, not just talk about them. I'll show you the workflows, the results, and why these tools are changing the game for creators. And save number 5 for the end. It's the one that genuinely broke my brain, and it's the one you'll want to try first. This isn't just about making content, it's about shifting the entire paradigm of how we work. Let's get into it. Mission starts now. Number 1 relights any video like you filmed it in a completely different place. It's called Beeble, and it's a game changer for post-production. Look at that. Same person, same footage. But the AI completely changed the lighting and the whole scene, and it looks real. It understands the 3D geometry of the shot and applies light naturally. This used to need a Hollywood VFX team and a huge budget. Now it's a browser tab. You can change the time of day, add dramatic rim lights, or even place your subject in a completely new environment. If you make any kind of video content, this is genuinely wild. You can reshoot the look of a clip without reshooting anything. This is about total creative control over your lighting, regardless of where you actually filmed. But if changing a video's lighting is impressive, number 2 builds an entire video from a single sentence. This is the new frontier of generative media. Watch this. Number 2, you type one sentence and it makes a cinematic video. That's it. One line of text and it created that. No camera, no actors, no set, no budget. Just pure imagination translated into pixels. A couple years ago, this was pure science fiction. Now creators are building entire scenes this way, and the quality jump in just the last year is honestly a little scary. The consistency and detail are reaching professional levels. Imagine being able to picture something and just generate it. We're entering an era where the only limitation is your ability to describe what you want to see. This tool is democratizing high-end production. Okay, video is one thing. Number 3 makes full songs and with real vocals from one sentence, and it's actually good. You have to hear it to believe it. This is Suno. Number 3, Suno. You describe a song and it writes and performs the whole thing. Lyrics, melody, vocals, instruments, all AI in under a minute. It understands genres, moods, and musical structure perfectly. People with zero musical background are making real, listenable songs. This one always gets the biggest reaction because music felt like the one thing that needed real human talent. Now, you just described the vibe. Number 4, you've actually been watching this entire video and you probably had no idea. Here's a confession. This whole video, I'm an AI avatar. Every gesture, every word, every blink. No camera, no studio, no filming. I wrote a script, and this avatar that looks and sounds like me delivered the whole thing perfectly. It never gets tired, and it never messes up a line. It can even speak in other languages. The tool is HeyGen. This is how one person makes professional video content every day without ever turning on a camera. It's the ultimate scale for creators and businesses. If you create content, this completely changes what's possible for you. And that brings us to number 5, the one that broke my brain and the one I actually think you'll use first. This is about real-world utility. Number 5 doesn't just make content, it does work for you. It can build a real working app from plain English. No coding required. You describe the logic and it builds the infrastructure. I described what I wanted in normal words and it built it. A real functioning app. The kind of thing that used to need a developer and weeks of time, done in minutes. This is the power of natural language programming. This is the one that made it click for me. The barrier isn't skill anymore. It's just knowing these tools exist and being willing to try them. We're moving from a how world to a what world. But wait, I promised you a deep dive. Let's look at number 6, AI agents for research. These aren't just chatbots. They are autonomous entities that can browse the web and synthesize reports. You give it a goal, and it executes. It finds the sources, verifies the facts, and writes the summary. What used to take hours of research now takes seconds of prompting. It's like having a PhD assistant on call 24/7. And number 7, generative fill in design. We're seeing tools that can expand images, remove objects, and change entire compositions with just a brushstroke. It's like magic for designers. Look at how it fills in the missing pieces. It matches the texture, the lighting, and the perspective perfectly. This is the death of the tedious cleanup work in design. Now, you focus on the vision. Number 8, AI automation for workflows. These tools connect your apps and handle the repetitive tasks that drain your energy. From email sorting to customer support, AI is the engine. It's about working smarter, not harder. These tools learn your patterns and execute tasks before you even think about them. For a small business, this is the equivalent of hiring a full team for the cost of a subscription. Number 9, personalized AI tutors. These tools adapt to your learning style, explaining complex concepts in ways you actually understand. It's a revolution for education. It doesn't just give answers, it guides you through the logic. Whether it's coding, math, or history, the AI meets you where you are. This is the end of the one-size-fits-all classroom model. And finally, number 10, AI-driven predictive analytics. These tools analyze massive data sets to tell you what's going to happen next in your industry. It's as close to a crystal ball as we've ever gotten. It spots patterns the human eye would miss. For investors, entrepreneurs, and leaders, this is the ultimate competitive advantage. It's about staying ahead of the curve, not just reacting to it. So, how do you actually use all this without getting overwhelmed? We've covered 10 tools that are literally changing the world. Simple. Don't try to learn all 10 at once. Pick the one that fits what you already do. Make content, start with HeyGen. Want to build? The app builder. Research? Use the agents. Master one, then add another. The goal is mission success, not tool collection. Focus on the outcome, not the tech. The people winning with AI aren't using every tool. They picked one, got good, and moved. Be that person. This is your mission. Take these tools, build something incredible, and lead the way. If this blew your mind even a little, subscribe. I hunt down the wildest AI tools every week so you don't have to. And drop a comment telling me which one you're trying first. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Mission complete.